Hello guys, so today we're gonna look at suits and nails, suits and nails. Today we're gonna see how we can match these suits, or just one of these suits, probably this blue suit, to our beautiful nails. And we'll choose a shirt. Let's go with this one, and let's go with this one, and let's go see how it looks. To match our nails to my blue suit, I will be going with simple blue nails. And I'll add a little accent nail to make things not so boring. I'm going to be using this Mi Casa es Blue Casa by OPI. Also, I'm between Cajun Shrimp by OPI and Hot Take by Holo Taco. I think I'll be going with the Holo Taco. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about nails, we must first start with a base coat. A base coat makes the rest of the polish stick better to the nail, and also prevents to some extent the dyeing of your nail with the nail polish. The way you want to apply it, and any other nail polish, is to glide the nail polish onto the nail. Meaning we don't want to have the brush fan out much. If you notice, when I do it right, I start a little before the cuticle. Then we push the brush up, and then a stroke back down. This is to prevent all the nail polish from glubbing onto the cuticle. The plan is to paint most of the nails blue and have the middle finger as an accent nail. This one blue, this one blue, this one blue, this one red, and the thumb will also be blue. Another tip to applying nail polish is to commit to every brush stroke. Do a firm and fluid motion. Don't worry too much about getting some on your skin. That's an easy fix. Okay. I did not get enough of that one. Let's re-ink this and try again. Yikes! Remember to use the side of the brush that you didn't just remove the excess nail polish from. This is gonna need a second coat anyway. Last but not least, the accent to drive all of this home. Was this red the right choice to go with that burgundy shirt? Tell me in the comments what you think or what you would have picked instead. I don't know if you can see this, but this one has a little bubble at the end, so I might have to redo it. Let's get the second coat on. Maybe that will remove that bubble. That kind of fixed it. I'm gonna leave it though. Things have dried, I think. Now it's time for the top coat. I will be using this one by OPI. What top coats do is protect the color underneath while also adding a shiny finish. Adding a top coat will most definitely improve the longevity of your nails and prevent a lot of chipping and scratches. I didn't record it, but as you can see, I got rid of the nail polish on my skin. To do this, I just grabbed a small brush dipped in acetone and carefully wiped it off. Here are the results. What do you think? Damn, how serious am I? Much better. That looked great with the suit, right? Who doesn't like a tight field of view? But what if we wanted to add something a little bit more dashing? First, all you need is a cotton pad soaked in acetone and the polish will come right off. To make things a little more interesting, let's put some shine into it with these two nail polishes. Whoa, that's a very light coat. Going to have to add some more coats on. You know this part, so I'm just gonna fast forward through it.
round 2. Fight.
I don't know if this is a thing, but all of my shiny or hollow or sparkly nail polishes are just kind of thinner than most of my colored nail polishes. Is this a thing? And if so, why is this a thing? Does the glitter not let the nail polish flow freely or something like that? Why don't you tell me in the comments? Second coat made it look nicer, but we are looking for the same color as the bottle. In this case, we're gonna have to apply 3 coats since this nail polish is so light. Last again, we finish off with the top coat to make it last. And here are the results and the look. What do you think? Which one do you like better? I'm clearly having more fun in this one. And here's the final comparison. Yeah, the lighting is completely different, but still, which one would you pick? That's all folks, please like and subscribe, and if you have any tips or suggestions, please let me know what you would like me to do next. Bye!